Hello, this is Steve with Aeronami Automotives. Come to you back with the Nissan 97 with the window issues. What we have here is the old power window switch. And let's show you what's going on with this right here. It's Timmy and Steve with Aeronami Automotives coming to you. All right, keep a focus on the passenger window. We let it down, but I'm pushing up. You see, I'm pushing up on the switch, and there's nothing going on with the window. That's Timothy with Aeronami Auto, my partner. Like I said, push down on the switch, it goes down. Push up, it doesn't go back up. So now we're about to replace this power window switch and see if this fixes the problem. We'll be coming to you with part 2 in just a minute.